Ciao and welcome to another episode of Cooking with G. I'm your host, G, and today I have Mrs. Pellegrino joining us again.
Buon Natale!
Buon Natale, which is Merry
Merry Christmas
in Italian, kind of like my sweatshirt, which you can get on hardcoreitalians.com. Mrs. Pellegrino is also wearing one of the Hardcore Italians aprons, so you can get these things on Hardcore Italians, and you can also get them for 10% off using my code COOKINWithG. So what are we going to be making today, Mrs. Pellegrino?
We're gonna make some pignolata.
Pignolata, which is kind of like struffoli.
Struffoli, but it's a little bit different.
Before we start, I actually have a little gift for you for Christmas.
Thank you. I wish you had not done it. Wow, and it's just what I need for my waist. Baci. Thank you so much.
And I thought we could eat it to, take the edge off like we always do on Cooking with G.
Right.
Smell this.
Oh, it's heaven.
Baci for you, baci for me.
Salute.
Salute. Okay, the rest are for you. And Mr. Pellegrino, make sure you save one for Mr. Pellegrino.
Oh, it would kill me if I did.
Now it's time to
Work. We have a lot to go. Tu sei una bella femmina.
Femmina.
Tu sei una bella femmina. Nessuno. Tutta la mia vita sei tu.
Gli occhi tuoi belli brillano, Mario. That is so good. I didn't think it was gonna taste that good.
No.
Yeah, they're much like softer than struffoli.
Yes, but the same, more or less.
Yeah. How long did you stay good for? Like how long?
Long time.
Really? If I just throw them in a jar?
Oh yeah, just put them in the jar.
You gotta tell them to subscribe.
To what?
To subscribe.
Subscribe to
Our videos.
click subscribe. Whatever it is.
And there you have it.
You have it. Pignolata. How we gotta say it?
Yes.
Pignolata. I want to thank everybody, anybody that watches this and enjoys it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Cooking with G. We'll see you on the next one.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank
have a good Christmas.
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy
New Year. We'll see you again soon.
Ciao.
Ciao.